Welcome back to Yippeecrafts. I'm your creative companion, Yippee. Today we're going to make stamps made from apples. So come on, let's see what we need to get started. Whether you're a returning visitor to the channel or it's your first time here, we're thrilled to have you join our crafty community. Our channel is all about making fun and easy crafts. So let's dive into the world of creativity together. Let's see what we need to get started. A paper plate, some paints, any type of paints will work, and an apple. Chop your apple in half. It's really important you ask a grown-up for this part. Pop your first paint colour down on the plate. Press the chopped side of the apple into the paint. Push the apple down onto the page and repeat for a page full of apple stamps. Try again with yellow paint, and what about red? Wow, they look great! How did you get on with yours? Thanks so much for joining me today, and don't forget, keep crafting, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun! Bye bye! And if you want more craft ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Yippeecrafts below.